Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine this. It's a gorgeous Saturday morning, the sun is shining, the birds are singing, and instead of wrestling with a loud gas mower or burying wires in your yard, you're sipping coffee on the deck while a little robot silently turns your lawn into a perfect carpet of green. No effort, no noise, just pure lazy genius. Sounds like the future of yard work, right? Well, today we're diving into the YUKA Mini 500 robotic lawn mower from Emotion, and let me tell you, this compact, wire-free, app-controlled beast could be the smartest thing you ever let loose on your grass. If you're done with sweaty mowing sessions or patchy manual cuts, stick around. By the end, you'll be ready to retire your old mower for good. And hey, grab it through the link in the description to support the channel at no extra cost to you. Let's get rolling. First, let's break down the features that make the YUKA Mini 500 a total game changer. This isn't some toy robot. It's built for lawns up to 0.12 acres, or about 5,000 square feet, with an ultra-compact design that's only 20 inches wide and weighs just 22 pounds, so you can lift and store it anywhere. No boundary wires or base station digging required. The Ultrasense AI Vision and RTK GPS combo lets you map your yard right in the Emotion app with one tap, creating virtual boundaries accurate to 2 centimeters. It handles multi-zone management, so front yard, backyard, and even tricky side strips get custom schedules and heights from 1 to 3.5 inches. The 3-blade mulching system finely chops clippings for natural fertilizer, and the all-wheel drive conquers slopes up to 35% without slipping. Rain sensor sends it home automatically, and the floating cutting deck follows ground contours for an even cut every time. The 5,000 mAh battery gives up to 2 hours runtime, auto recharges at the included charging station, and the app lets you control everything. Schedule mows, adjust speed, check progress live, or even drive it manually like a remote control car for fun. Setup takes under 30 minutes. Charge, download app, map your lawn by walking the edges once, and done. I set mine up on a 5,000 square foot yard with flower beds and a hill. It learned the layout perfectly on the first run and has been mowing flawlessly ever since. Overall, it's smart, silent at under 60 decibels, and truly hands-free, ideal for small to medium yards that deserve pro-level care without the pro hassle. Now, on to the pros and cons, because Real Talk helps you decide if it's your lawn's new best friend. On the pro side, the no-wire mapping is pure freedom, no digging or signal breaks, and the Ultrasense AI dodges obstacles like toys or pets with 98% accuracy. Users love the ultra-quiet operation. You can mow at night without waking neighbors, and the mulching leaves grass greener with less watering. At around $800, it's packed with premium tech like live app view and theft GPS tracking, with easy height changes and rainproof IPX6 rating. Reviewers rave about the perfect stripes and how it handles complex yards without missing spots. Bottom line, it saves hours weekly, greens your turf naturally, and feels like having a gardener on call. The cons, fairly flagged. $800 is premium for tiny lawns under 2,000 square feet, though bundles drop it. For yards over 0.12 acres, it needs multiple charges daily, and very thick initial overgrowth requires a manual trim first. The app is great but needs strong Wi-Fi, weak signals cause pauses, and the charging station wants a flat, sunny spot. A few noted the blades dull faster on sandy soil, needing swaps every season for $20. These are small snips in a sharp package. So, do I recommend the YUKA Mini 500? Absolutely, especially if you have a small to medium yard, hate wires, and want truly set-it-and-forget-it mowing. The pros like AI precision and solar-friendly runtime far outweigh the cons for busy homeowners, parents, or eco-fans. It's a smart investment that pays off in free time and perfect grass. If that's your yard, click the link in the description right now to snag it on Amazon. Best prices and deals await. Quick shout out, if these bot breakdowns get you buzzing, subscribe and turn on notifications for more green gear. And click that affiliate link, it keeps the grass cut at no extra cost to you. Finally, a quick reminder, grab the YUKA Mini 500 through the link below for the best pricing and our special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, team. If this mowed your interest, give it a like, share with a lawn warrior, or subscribe for more. Happy mowing.